In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Brevo with WordPress 2025. Whether you're new to WordPress or a seasoned pro, integrating Brevo with your website can offer you robust email management options and seamless communications. Let's jump right in and guide you through this simple yet essential process. First things first, open up your WordPress dashboard. From there, you need to navigate to the plugins section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side, a familiar territory for those who frequently customize their WordPress sites. Once you're there, click on Add New. This action will enable you to search the repository for plugins that best suit your needs. In the search bar, type Brevo. It's essential to look for the official plugin to ensure compatibility and security. Once you spot it, go ahead and click Install, and once the installation is complete, remember to click Activate. Activation brings the plugin to life and makes it ready for configuration. Now it's time to switch over to your Brevo account where we'll gather the essential connection details. First, you need to log into your Brevo account. You'll find your way to the dashboard easily if you've been using Brevo regularly. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where your name appears. Click on it to unveil a menu. From there, select SMTP and API. This section is where you manage all your API interactions and settings. Next, we're looking for the API keys and MCP tab. Click on this tab to proceed. Once you're in, you'll see an option that says Generate a new API key in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, you'll be prompted to give your new API key a name. Consider something descriptive that will help you identify its use in the future. Once you've input a name, click Generate. As soon as your API key is generated, it's crucial to copy it. You won't be able to view it again for security reasons, so make sure to store it in a safe place or have it handy for the next steps. Now let's go back to your WordPress dashboard. You'll see a new Brevo tab has appeared in the left menu. Click on it to access the plugin settings. When prompted, paste your freshly copied API key into the required field. At this point, you can also add a nickname for this connection, though it's optional. Once that's done, click Connect. The Brevo plugin will now guide you through some on-screen prompts to finalize the connection. Follow these prompts carefully. They ensure everything is set up correctly and your Brevo account starts working harmoniously with your WordPress website. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Brevo to WordPress 2025, paving the way for enhanced email management and communication capabilities on your site. Feel free to explore the various features this integration offers and take your WordPress site communication to the next level. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.